Hello everybody. I'm back again at my shop, Pastor's Wife's DigiPrint, and please favorite it if you can. I wanted to show you our newest products. Here, this is the, it's not going to open for me. Uh-oh, my app's not working good. Well, anyway, this is a multiplication chart I made for homeschoolers. This one here is a homework assignment chart, and then we have some kindergarten graduations, but let's see, where's my newest stuff? Okay, I'm going to back out of this and I can show you my other stuff from the back end here. Okay, here we go. This was the one that I finished doing today. Oops. I don't guess I can make it bigger. Uh-oh. Well, if you go on to my Etsy shop, Pastor's Wife, DigiPrint, then you can see the listings. I don't know why it's not working from the app well, but then I have this other one here. I made some pockets, and some of my kids helped me with them too, and I made cards to go in the pockets. So those will be fun when you're making some journals. And I made a paper pack. It actually has 12 pages, and they're really pretty. If y'all try any of these, let me know, and I will be very happy to know that you tried them after watching this video. And then I made these pockets. I had pockets like this already, but they weren't decorated, so I decorated these pockets, and they're really pretty. And I made these circles with cute whimsical children, and then on the other side I have some like marbly colors. And then I have some flower pockets here with the thumb holds. And you could ink those up and make them look really pretty. And then I got this. It's a baby shower game where you get to know somebody by just cut these apart, and then you pin one to different people's clothing, and then they can at a certain time you can announce, okay, go find the person with your similar image and get to know certain things about them, and you can list whatever you want them to get to know. Then I made these beautiful tropical image cards for a tropical wedding, where you can put table numbers. Sorry about my voice. Having some sinus problems. Oh, I made these here. These are tabs. You can cut them out and put them on your journals, or even on a notebook if you needed some tabs. Then we got these beautiful wedding table numbers, all the way to 20. Then I made some more tabs. These are all lavender, gray and lavender, white. Then we got some pink and gray. They're peonies. I love peonies. Then we have these 5 vintage style journal pages. One, it'll go for like one on each side. That was my daughter finishing her avocado. She's crocheting. Oh, I made this one too. The vintage time ephemera. You can cut those out and put them in. And these tickets. Oh, I love this one. Cut these out and use them. And they're really cute. I love the colors. And then I got these cute coloring pages. Ice cream posters. They're posters and coloring pages. And color them like that, or however you want to color them. Then I have these gift certificates if you have a shop. There's the multiplication chart. And then I made some different kind of journal pockets. They're little triangles. You can fold them and put them in the corner of your books, or you can cut them in half and just have triangle pockets. And let's see, is that all? Oh, wedding invitations. Yeah, I used my husband and my name. And a save the date card. And I have it in purple or lavender. And I think here's another one. Just a white, black and white, simple black and white. And well, that's about it. Besides these ones for boys and girls kindergarten thing, graduation. I'm trying to fill up my store with digitals. We need sales badly. My husband got a different job and I need to help out. So if you could stop by and see if anything interests you, that would be very appreciated. Thank you. Have a nice day.